Hello, welcome back. So, I decided the other day to copy my world and use it as a world that I will not be filming. I will be making an entire other video showing you what I've done with my other world, but I will not be playing there. I will just be playing there and not be showing you guys because it's primarily for fun. And the Royal World is for content because I want you to see every single detail of my world and how it happened. Anyways, let's go. This one is done not for video purposes. It's on. Okay, what should I do now? Let's see outside if it's okay. And yep. I forgot how much things do I need. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, okay. 7. So basically 6 this and 7 this. Now I have been practicing this in my other world. Look, watch this. Yay! That took me hours to master. Uh, why do I have so big? Why is my skill issue so large? Uh, but anyways, now that's better. Now I have more ideas for this. But right now, I think I should move this. Because in my other world, it gave me a hard time moving. So, I think I'll just... Where did the sapling go? Oh, there. Okay, I think I'll just move it there. Now that that crisis is now averted, time for me to build more. Yeah, all I can do is just build. There, right. Don't mind me if I do. And also, I just realized that so much of my other world doesn't move on to this one. It doesn't save. Oh no. Well, I ain't risking this world. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I ain't gonna die. Anyways, look. I finally have it. Finally. I finally have a cave tree. So much time. Now, I cannot go outside. I will expand that thing. So... And also I have an idea. Just... Now, in my cave, I don't need to go outside to get more water. I can just go here and use this 4x4 space. And I'll forever have water. I will abuse it, of course. Yay. Damn, I have a lot. Okay. And for me, I believe that the slab is better than the normal one. Sure, it needs to be what you can not MLG on it. But why will you MLG on on a slab? I don't know if it's unpopular. I don't know. I just like slabs. They're so cheap. Even though I have too much coal. What is it called again? I'm still new, okay? I don't know how to play. Is that ready? I ain't taking chances. So I think it's 4. Seriously, 2 blocks can inhabit 4 spaces. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. And then, bam. And also now, if a creeper goes up to me, I can just waterlog it and not damage my base. Yay! Okay, now that that's settled, I think I'll go outside now. Okay. Huh. Yeah, I will chop that tree down. Hold on. There. Now that problem is settled. And Enderman. There are Endermen. Yeah, I have watched some Minecraft playthroughs, and I know that sound means there are Endermen. And also, I will play with Endermen in the future. when I get iron. But right now, I am still planning my infrastructure. Who knows? Maybe that island has some caves that I can exploit. I still haven't checked in my other world. It's still quite similar to this, just there's a platform there. And I know from my other world that this is very expensive. Like it's gonna take me a lot of cobblestone. But good thing I have two. Nuh-uh. 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 I ain't going. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I'm scared of the rain. I might be an enderman. Anyways, what should I do now? Let me check in the crafting table what I need. Oh yeah, how to make a composter. And also I asked my classmates how to kill endermen. They said to just wait, did I say ender? I meant creeper, okay? How to kill creepers, they told me to just hit and run. I'm not experienced in hit and running people. That might go out of contest. Eh, nobody's watching this other than my classmates, so wait. If nobody's watching this, how are there 62 views in my most popular episode? How? Who are watching my playthroughs? So confusing, right? Like, did they just see Minecraft and say, oh, Minecraft? And sometimes I just swear. So I don't think they should be watching. That's why I rated not for kids. And upload. Time for wait for this. Well, time for me to mine here. Wait, I have too much cobbles. Ay, ay, ay. How to stop the rain? Anyways, change. I just saw a thing that I saw, like the creek. I don't know what it is, but I'll do it just for fun. Anyways, there the creek. I wonder what it look. Shoot. And also, just so that you know, I don't cheat. I don't cheat at all. Look, I'll show you some here. Settings, look. Look in my settings. No, I don't know how to play this game. Anyways, I think I should craft a sword. And also, I see people who are just playing Minecraft, but then they get diamonds in a few seconds. How? How do they get diamonds? Like, I don't get it. How are you so rich? How are you so good? Teach me your ways. apple. You know what? I think I remember making a composter. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. I think I remember making a composter. Where's how to make slabs? Slabs. There. So what do I do again? There. Yes. Okay, good. Okay. Now that I have my composter, what do I do with all this? I'm gonna shit my pants if I hear that again. See? I say the non-friendly word. So, are there kids watching this? Even though I'm a kid, I am making content just because... Oh, another useless thingy. Anyways, back to my sentence. I am making content just so that I can get good in Minecraft. Not for the YouTuber grind. No, okay. Okay, my why does it keep on lagging? Okay, good. I felt like I had a panic attack in Minecraft. I wonder if Minecraft characters can have a panic attack. Bruh. Wait. Hey. No. 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 Why does it keep on? Oh, wait. Okay, good. Now, time for me to... See, I'm terrible at Minecraft. Okay, back to whatever I was doing. Okay. Anyways, I don't think people are actually watching my videos. Cause who watches a person who doesn't even know what he's doing? Who is entertained? People say that I'm a loudmouth. I know. So that proves that what you just see Minecraft and then you watch. I'm not criticizing. I'm thankful. Just please leave a comment on how to get good. Like how to fight Enderman, creepers, and every single abomination in this game. I just decided to make my own strategies here. Like putting water on creepers so that they don't so that they do less damage. And also they don't break my base or landscape. And again, I'm lagging. Ay. My device is not very happy. Now look. That. that thing was made by a creeper. I want to fill it up. Anyways, time for me to make some more. And also, I'm still not sure if this is a good idea. Do you know why I'm not sure? I think I already said it. I forgot. Why am I so forgetful? Anyways, I don't really know if monsters can appear in this bridge. I just like the design, but maybe the design will make it so that monsters can spawn on my bridge. And did I just take fall down? Huh? Wait a minute. Why am I so trash? See? I'm trash. Garbage. Dog water. See? 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 You guys saw how dog water I am? Look. Oh. Oh, what was it? Like the 5th time? Anyways. Back to Minecraft. What if people are just bored so that they just go to the tags of Minecraft Survival and then they just find my vids, watch? Cause seriously, at my last Minecraft playthrough, blew up. Like, huh? How did I get so popular? Anyways, I'm gonna use this wood. I hope a creeper doesn't just drop down and end my entire series. Because then I'd have to rely on my other world. That will be a nightmare. You know what? Forget it. Oh, voila! Voila! You have nothing! I came out of your water, I came out of your water, zombie! Calm down! Seriously, that zombie had anger issues. Like, seriously, it's not that too. You don't have to make it so deep. You don't have to make it so personal. Don't throw your trident at me, you undead monster. You abomination. You are literally dead. And you dare attack me. I am almost dead. Hey, I don't want to go back. But I love building bridges. And I know how to. You dumb zombie. You almost ended my entire run. Everything I made in this world. And you dare come near me? I'm locking you off. Try me. Try me. You're stuck there, you dumbass. See? And also, wow, it's already 25 minutes. Anyways, bye. This is very long episode. I had way too much fun. Anyways, this was way too close for comfort, so bye.